Good Monday morning, Mrs. Hensley's friends. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. It is time to get our Monday started of a 3-day week. Fall break is this Thursday and this Friday. So we are just having school Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday this week. So 3 days of school, 2 days off plus the weekend. So you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. 4 days for fall break. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends, Monday morning, it is October. Let's think about October. What comes at the end of October? What do you hear at the end of October? Don't you? You hear the sound of R. At the beginning, which is short O, and at the end of October, right? So on Friday, it was October the 9th, 2020, but we have Saturday, Sunday, and now today that we need to add to that. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes next? 10. Is it going to be a bat or is it going to be a pumpkin? A pumpkin. Good job. 10. So Saturday was October the 10th. And Sunday, what comes after 10? 10, 11 is a bat. A bat. 11. And today is October the 12th, 2020, also known as Columbus Day. Okay, October the 12th, 2020. Who knows what today is? Mrs. Hensley said what today is. What is today? Today, if you guessed Monday, you are correct. Today is Monday. What will tomorrow be? What comes after Monday? Sunday, Monday. Tuesday. Good job. Tuesday. So tomorrow will be Tuesday. What comes before Monday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday. Oops, what did I say? Sunday, Monday. Sunday. Good job. Sunday was yesterday. So, yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. We are so close to being able to use our leaders because on October 26th, we get to come to school, hopefully. Okay. And we'll be able to do the weather. The season right now is autumn. So we are in autumn, which is also known as what season? Fall. Good job, friends. Okay, we need to add a straw and a tally for the numbers of days that we've been in school. So here is for today. We'll add that, and let's count. Let's add a tally too, and then let's count and see how many days we have been in school. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. We have been in school 32 days. Let's make sure that our tallies show 32. We're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32. I write a 32 with a 3 and a 2. Okay, so let's count the numbers of days that we've been in school. We're going to count 0 to 32. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Good job, friends. Okay, we have over here our Statue of Liberty, which is a symbol of the United States, a symbol of our country. Why is it important? And where is it located? Well, again, it's the symbol of our country, the United States, and it's located in the New York Harbor, right? Okay, the American flag, or the United States of America flag, it has 50 stars and 13 stripes. The 50 stars are for the 50 states in the United States, and the 13 stripes are for the 13 colonies. Okay, friends, it is time to write the date. So let's count and see what number month is October, okay? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October. Hold on just a minute, friends. I am so sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, friends. That was Hudson, my little pre-K grandson. He was wanting Mrs. Hensley to come and get him and take her to her house, but I can't because I'm here with you guys. Okay, friends, we found out that October was the 10th month. So we are going to write that. And I know one day last week, Mrs. Hensley messed up. I put 9 dash, I think it was the 5th of October or something, 9-5-20. It was September, right? I should have written 10-5. Okay, so here we go. 10 dash, today is the 12th, dash 20. Or we could abbreviate October, OCT period, finger space, 12, which is 1, 2, comma, finger space, 20. Or I can spell October out. And the O is uppercase. October, finger space, 12, comma, finger space, 20, 20. That is how I write my date. Okay, friends, let's talk about what we are going to do today. Okay, we are going to learn about ending sounds like Mrs. Hensley did with October. Okay, we are going to do our letter sound cards. We are going with some letters that we are going to review that we've learned so far. We're going to write in our October journal. We're going to count and write numbers 0 through 10. And we are going to listen to a fall harvest book. Okay, so that is what we're doing today. I hope you guys have an awesome Monday. Mrs. Hensley will see you very soon with our ending sounds. Mrs. Hensley's good thing today wasn't a good thing that he interrupted, but it always makes me feel good when Hudson, my pre-K grandson, wants me to come and get him because he wants to come to my house. So that's my good thing, okay? He's coming back from his dad's house over the weekend, and so he's ready to see his G. He calls me G for G Mommy, Grandma. So he's ready to come and see Mrs. Hensley. So I'm so excited. That's my something good today. I want you to share with me something good, and I want you to give me a yellow star. Okay, I hope you guys have a magnificent Monday, and Mrs. Hensley will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.